Are you dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but feel overwhelmed by the how and where to even begin? Whether it's fear of failure, confusion about setup, or wondering how people actually make money doing this, have been there. But guess what? 2025 is your year. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your YouTube channel for success, grow your audience, and start earning that sweet YouTube cash. And spoiler alert, it is easier than you think, even if you are starting with nothing but your phone and a dream. Let's get into it.
Like and subscribe.
I don't know what your New Year resolutions are, but I know that if you dedicate your time and effort into learning these skills, I mean, 2 hours of your time every day for the next 7 days, I guarantee you will make money in 2025, irrespective of your industry. All you have to do is turn your passion or expertise into profit just by leveraging the power of AI to build and monetize a successful faceless YouTube channel. In my course, Creating and Monetizing a Faceless YouTube Channel, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create high quality content effortlessly, proven methods to grow your channel for free, and monetize with affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and more. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment. Just get ready to transform your creativity into a revenue stream. Enroll now and start your faceless empire. Special discounts for my subscribers. The link is on the description. Hey friends, future YouTube superstars. So you've been thinking, what if I started a YouTube channel? But then reality hits. You are like, what will I talk about? How does editing work? Can I actually make money doing this? Maybe you've been dreaming about vlogging your travels, sharing your cooking skills, or diving into tech reviews. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate blueprint to not just start a YouTube channel, but turn it into a money making machine. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to set up a successful YouTube channel in 2025 and start raking in those YouTube dollars. Stick around because I'll be spilling all the juicy tips from channel setup to earning strategies. And yes, it will be fun. First up, why 2025 is the best year to start a YouTube channel? Can we talk about how exciting 2025 is for creators? Platforms like YouTube have evolved big time. Now, we have access to insane AI tools that make video editing a breeze. More monetization options than ever before. We will get to that later. And a global audience waiting to watch your content. So, if you have been procrastinating, consider this your official wake up call. Starting today is like planting a money tree, but one that needs consistent watering. Let's break it down. Step 1, picking your niche. Think of this as your YouTube channel's identity. What do you love? What can you talk about for hours without falling asleep mid sentence? Here's the golden rule: passion plus value is equal to a winning niche. For example, if you love gaming, you could focus on walkthroughs or reviews of new releases. Obsessed with skincare, do tutorials or product reviews. Tech geek, share the latest gadgets or AI tools. Don't overthink it. Your first videos will probably be rough anyways. It's all about finding your groove. Step 2, and here's the fun part: setting up your YouTube channel. Alright, let's get technical, but not boring, I promise. Setting up your channel is easier than assembling this my microphone. Create a Google account. You probably already have one. If not, what year are you living in? Use a professional sounding email like your real name creation. Avoid something like cool guy 123. Then, if you are creating for brand, use the brand name. Choose a channel name. Keep it simple and memorable. If you are stuck, try something like your name plus niche or a catchy phrase. Design your channel look. Add a profile picture. Your face works best. People connect with faces. Use free tools like Canva to design a clean, professional banner. Write a killer description for your About section. Explain who you are, what your channel is about, and why people should hit subscribe. Step 3, your first video. Light, camera, sound check, action. Here comes the part everyone fears, the first video. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it probably won't be. Here is how to crush it. Start with an intro video. Introduce yourself, explain your channel's purpose, and share what viewers can expect. Keep it short. 2 to 3 minutes is enough for a start. Filming tips. Use natural light or a simple ring light. No one wants to see you in the dark unless it's a horror channel. Speak clearly and don't overreact. It's okay to be human. Use your phone if you don't have a fancy camera. Editing is now made simple. Start with free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Trim out awkward pauses and add subtitles. Viewers love captions. Remember, perfection is overrated. Just get that first video out there. And now, step 4, growing your channel. Uploading your video is actually step 1. Now, let's get people to actually watch it. Use keywords in your video title, description, and tag. For example, if your video is about beginner yoga, your title could be Beginner Yoga Routine. Relax in 10 minutes. Design thumbnails that pop for your videos. Bright colors, bold text, and your face work wonders. Canva is your best friend for this if you're not already a professional graphic designer. Post consistently. Start with one video per week. Use a content calendar to plan ahead. Engage with your audience. Reply to every comment, even the weird ones. Ask viewers questions to spark conversations. Step 5, making money on YouTube. Now let's talk about the part you've been waiting for, how to get paid. And here are the top ways to monetize in 2025. First is YouTube Partner Program. Now, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can enable ads. Secondly, brand deals and sponsorships. Companies love micro influencers. Start pitching once you have a loyal audience. Thirdly, affiliate marketing. Here, you promote product you love and earn commission on sales. Remember, making money takes time, so focus on building value first. And finally, step 6, it's a pro tip for 2025 success. Collaborate with other creators. It's a win-win. You tap into each other's audiences. Experiment with content styles, vlogs, shorts, tutorials. See what your audience loves. Leverage AI tools. AI can help with video ideas, scripts, and even editing. And here is how to start a successful YouTube channel and start raking in that dollars. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 might seem intimidating, but trust me, it's totally doable. Focus on progress, not perfection. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below what your channel is going to be about. Now, go out there and create amazing content. And remember, it's not a must for your first video to be perfect, but your 100 will be epic. You've got this. Be inspired to create.